Welcome or welcome back to my channel. My name is Sonia Luthra and today we are going to discuss the two confusing words which are B-A-R-E and B-E-A-R. Both the words are pronounced as bear. Let's understand the meaning of the two words. B-A-R-E means naked, to uncover, and it also means basic and very simple. B-E-A-R means to carry the weight of or to be patient. Let's look at the sentences for these two words. So the first sentence for bear is he was walking barefoot. मतलब वो नंगे पैर चल रहा था. Poor people have to fight for their bare existence. मतलब जो गरीब लोग हैं उन्हें अपने basic existence के लिए भी fight करना पड़ता है. Bear. The roof cannot bear that much weight. छत इतना weight सहन नहीं कर सकती. I can't bear the pressure of job and school at the same time, which means मेरे अंदर इतना patience नहीं है कि मैं अपना job और school एक साथ manage कर सकूं. If you like the video, please like, follow and subscribe for more.